Hey everyone, I'm going to be doing Dream Dinners, hosting an event this week, and I wanted to give you guys a little inside of what I do every day. And my secret is that I do not actually create the food that my family eats, and believe it or not, Jake actually eats a lot of it. So I was going to give you a tour of my freezer so that you could see what I have in here, and then throughout the week you'll see that I make some of the food. So some of the things are pretty easy to do. I have like a ton of stuff in here that is all Dream Dinner stuff. So what I do is usually in the morning I'll pull something out, but sometimes I forget. So that might happen this week. You'll see me do it, de-thawing stuff. But I have all kinds of things in here. Like this one is Greek Island shrimp and pasta. I would never know how to make that. So it's all different kinds of things. I have mini turkey meatloaves with bacon, ranch, and green beans. That's actually one of the favorites. They think it's meat, but it's turkey, and they like it. And they like the green beans too. My niece actually loves those turkey ones. Philly cheesesteaks, that's a favorite for lunch. Again, easy to make, but it comes with everything. So most of this takes just minutes to make. There's a lot of like sides. So like this one's sour cream and chive potatoes for different sides. These are some like just even desserts. So there's even like harvest cookies. Because I'm lazy and I don't want to actually have to make anything. It's really easy to make them. I'll make some more of them in the week so you guys can see that. And then I have Italian chicken and orzo. I would never make these things. You all would know me, and that's definitely Shanghai sweet pork and sour, or sorry, sweet and sour pork tenderloin with jasmine rice. This one I would definitely do in the crock pot, so I need to have advance notice to do this one. But it's so easy. If I remember to do it in the morning, I'll pull that one. I also have Chicago style chicken with red skin potatoes. This one is actually a favorite. It's really easy to do. It comes in like a huge bag. Literally comes with everything. Let's see, what's the last one in here? I have mini beef tostada cups. Oh, these were really good. They're like little mini tacos. They were excellent. So, and have some breakfast scones. Rachel loves these. They're really good, easy to make. I just usually cut them in half and put them in the toaster oven for like 20 minutes, and they're really good. So just giving you a look inside my freezer, and this week you'll see me making a bunch of this stuff, but you can see I have like really good food for the week, and you'll see the family really likes it. Bye.